Watch. Of the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, no, man? Hey, yo, a franchise to choosing one, the 10-star general. I don't know when I come for represent in a full effect. I don't know what go already, man. When time I aim up, load up, crank up, and drop necessary equipment when my sound the big thing them, a loud explosion boy. Watch. You don't know the most electrifying man I got to work. Right now me hear some boy. A chat about clash not needed in a dancehall. Them not need clash, them not need this. Where them baby I get this shit here from? Who wanna come from, man? Who wanna come from? I tell the people them, listen. One is not a QP. One is not a clean paper. And not quantum physics. So me no know what the fuck wanna come a chat about. Eh? Listen to what me I tell you now. Hear me good. Yo, dancehall build up off a clash. Whether it want be sound system clash or DJ clash live and show, that was one of the main attractions to all foreign country. That is why all kind of artists did want to stick with dancehall artists, especially the hip hop artists them, because them love the clashing thing they too. You see what I deal with? So here we go on. Sometimes when I'll sting all I keep, you see a big hip hop artist where you see in demands, I don't think a length PM for come sing or sting or whatever. A PM pay length for come work on sting, That's how big them shit there was, But then, I drop the man, them drop the catch, More want to know that, Because after, vybz Kartel and Movado steam up the place like that. Till some local stupid people start take it physically on the street because here we go on. Them stop make it becomes a sports thing. Them start take it personal and it'll get out of hand. So the police them get involved and the government them get involved and thing and I tell the man them say yo slow it down a way and deal with it a different way. But them never put nothing in place after them see say this thing attract so many tourists and so many things are go on. Neither the man them who keep the show them they just hungry reap the money them never look for the bigger picture it, so them never even set up no foundation for the newer generation where I come up. Because what the man them should have done, I put it in a some more safer structure and a more appropriate manner. You see what I deal with and make the thing deal with like our Grammy award this. So when Sting and them thing they keep, the artists them supposed to get award. Whosoever has class supposed to get compensated in a brilliant action and included you're supposed to have some gold watch where make out a gold and diamond where mark Sting 2000 whatever for the artists them who are come represent a clash and them supposed to get reward tremendously because it's a big event on our keep. But when you don't want pocket money and you don't want put nothing, instructor for the event them. I don't think so. I can just push all in our pocket and not put nothing in place. This is what you find on yourself brought down. And then the artists them and all now. Remember saying a clashing thing, it's supposed to be a nice sport. So all hardcore artists who say in bad and lyrical bad. vybz Kartel and Movado rise up the thing wicked. Munga come at you a word pa I don't wanna for boss. I don't wanna never look upon him cause I don't wanna say well then this man never have a hit tune for challenge me. Anyway, him boss. Never brought a take him on. Never brought one up on him a stole of anniversary. Instead of the man challenge the man because the two of them do this song against them one another. Instead of the man them challenging them because that the people them want to see and that una show the people them. And that una there in a studio hide and show the people them. I record this song against one another. And when the man run on him on the stage I fight them want to fight. See a lollipop thing the artists them are dealing with. Them first start clowning it out, you know what happened? The two of them career dead just because of that. You see, if the two of them did clash, them time they were the public they don't want to say, The two of them career that got sky high because everybody did want to say, I say two bad lyrical like DJ plus them have some new style are coming out of the business. Then Black Rhino and Popcorn, you know what I mean? Push off, go on off a stage. Then them look at artists that were coming now. As some girl business the man them a talk about levels. Do not big. This, that, una de for my league, una de that not in a dance hall, a be a lollipop thing una go on with. You see what me I deal with? And when the general attack, you know dog, and no pretty dog. You know me are the most electrifying man on YouTube dog. And anytime I come and drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing, them you know a loud explosion thing. What? And that's why I say, right now, you see what me I deal with? Right now, you know. The boss I go drop a road and I go change back dancehall because my sister hunger saw it go. I saw it can go right now and that big expectation there. You have to look on because here we are going to have to remember say Buju Banton and them man they really a clash, a culture shit them man they deal with reggae music and them thing there. Now I go say them man they now go too cheap 2 times in a dancehall and them shit there. But me I say for set dancehall on a different level, the boss have to go drop a road and force some of them artists have to do something different. Otherwise, them name not go call. Excuse me. You don't remember when the boss drop up their road? And when the boss chop up the whole place, you remember all type of boy have to show this lyrics and I show all kind of this song. Boy have to do. Just to try to make him name call or evil. Try to make him name look like it there. Yo, you know, see a clash, them no clash. And things sleep up on them. Why you see some man look like them one piece now and stagnant? You don't see that? You don't see say I follow you try to follow other people, genre music and I fuck up our culture. Why we have so much dancehall artists and the man them can't bring back the culture and bring back the show them to the fullest of the capacity. Respect to the artists them who keep them, show them and shell them. Yo, I can't wait for the world boss coming a dog and shake up dancehall and change it up, you know, because my sister, you know, a big lollipop you to not have out there, you know. Especially some man who are jump up on YouTube, you know, and I do some local lollipop blog, you know, the people them ears, you know. Gaza Nation, you know my thing go already, you know. You don't know, you know, my thing well electrify, you know. You don't know, you know. Anytime we aim up, crank up, load up, you know, and sound the big thing them, you know. You don't know it go when necessary equipment drop, you know. A loud explosion. What? Gaza way. Watch.